What sound?
Pulled out the baffles as well.
It is amazing. But this one, being a parallel twin,
And you really pull it, right?
yeah,
Sounds amazing.
unbelievable sound. I mean, sometimes sounds better than an inline four.
That's what I'm saying. It sounds really, really cool.
Yeah, super, beautiful. I mean, I really enjoyed it. And well, I would say brakes can be improved. Yeah, I think it's just the brake pads. If you put double-edged brake pads by EDC or something, that can take care of it. Handling is nice. So we'll talk about it more at the showroom. This motorbike, few things I noticed. This one is a way more free revving than this one.
Yes.
This one takes time to rev. You know, even if you open throttle, it gradually goes up.
Goes up, yes.
But
Initially it does.
yeah, correct. And of course, the power starts to kick in by about 8,000 RPM or so. See, I would say it's a fun motorbike, and the exhaust note is just adding on to it. Of course, changing the brake pads would be the first thing.
Balancing and all of
Yeah.
it's pretty good.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice.
Between corner and all.
Absolutely, no issue.
Balancing is amazing.
Yeah. Hey friends, so I test rode the Benelli 300, and here I am with the motorbike, and let me tell you how I felt and what I felt about it. Well, the only two other motorbikes which we have, which are in the same segment, are of course the Ninja 300 and the KTM Duke 390. Although the Duke 390 has got 73cc more and way more power and costs much lesser, however, I will certainly compare a little bit of this bike to the Duke 390. So I'll give a closer look of the motorbike. Looks nice. I particularly like the swing arm and the color of the spring. And this one has the IXIL aftermarket exhaust and sounds absolutely amazing. And one thing which surprised me is that I did not know that Benelli makes brake calipers, which is interesting. And so we can just take a walk around the motorbike. Also, this motorbike is a 300. However, this has twin rotors in the front, twin brake rotors. All the other ones like the Ninja 300 and the KTM Duke 390 has, oh yeah, we have a Ninja right beside here, but other ones have a single, which is fine. So, who is the kind of person who should be buying this motorbike? Well, if you are someone who wants something unique, well, because Duke 390 is not as unique as it was 1.5 years ago, and Ninja 300 is priced way more. It's like almost 4 lakh rupees in India, and this one is about 3,40,000 rupees. So if you can sacrifice that acceleration that you get from Duke 390, and if you are more into touring and want fantastic sound, then this is the motorbike that you should go for. Absolutely, no two ways about it. It might not be a head turner like the Ninja 300 or even the Duke 390 because of the flashy colors, orange alloy wheels and all that, but this motorbike has a lot of character. And the power kicks in at about 8,000 RPM. It's a kind of a high revving engine. It's a parallel twin, by the way, and it almost sounds as good as inline 4. Also the seat, I really like it. It looks like a very expensive motorbike seat, custom stitched kind of a thing. So friends, my personal opinion, I like the motorbike, although I'm used to a Duke 390 being more powerful. However, I somehow enjoyed this motorbike because of a very unique character. It could be the sound, or it could be just high revving engine. Also remember, this motorbike revs very high, However, the revs take time to reach there. Like for example, at Duke 390, you open throttle and from 1,500 RPM, you'll go all the way up to about 9,500 to 10,000 RPM in about a second. But this one takes time. There's nothing wrong in it. It's just the character of the motorbike. So if you would like to know more about it, let me know. And I've also test ridden the 600 GT, and I'll be test riding the 600i very soon, and I'll make a review of that too. Thank you. Bye bye.